It's IBC2025. We are here in a very busy Hall 7 and we're on the Brainstorm stand. And of course, I'm joined by Miguel. Hi, Miguel. How are you doing?
Hello, how are you today?
Very well. Now, it's quiet on the stage right now, but it's going to change quite soon. You're doing demonstrations every 30 minutes.
Every 30 minutes, yes.
Give us a quick overview of what you're demonstrating this year at IBC.
Well, basically, we're following on the presentation we did at NAB. It was about the weather show, but not a typical weather show. It's just a show comprising virtual reality, augmented reality, extended reality, any kind of reality that you want to hit, even real reality.
Yes.
And also integrating all sorts of data coming from a weather source. That means that we have to display such data in a manner that will be more interesting to the audience, using AR, using maps, using real-time 3D animations, all the kind of things that makes things different and evolving throughout the years, and showing all the tools that we can provide to a weather show in this case, but to any other show that we think of for television.
Cool. Now, you talk me through the tools you are using, because I can see some cameras right here on some very nice pedestals here. Talk me through what we're actually seeing here.
Yeah, basically any virtual production, when you're doing virtual, require to know where the camera is. So we need to have some tracking. In this case, we're using robotics from XD Motion. We're displaying an LED wall from Alpha Light, in which we show the virtual background that moves according to the camera movement, and also combined with a green screen in which we place one of the actors to teletransport them to the other part of the show. So it's a quite interesting show in terms of the amount of things that happen at the same time.
Yeah.
And makes a quite appealing show because you can see all the possibilities that the virtual technology provides for any kind of show that you want to include for information, for data analysis, anything.
So what Brainstorm products are we using behind the scenes here?
Basically, this show is run by the InfinitySet. And the amazing thing is that we're running 3 renders at the same time. That means that we have the background render for the LED wall, the virtual set for the chroma screen, and the AR. Everything is done by just one machine because we're using the latest technology from Nvidia, dual GPU technology for ourselves as well, and a number of other technologies that add up to create this kind of technology.
Yeah. So InfinitySet has been around a while now, hasn't it?
Yep. It's version 6.2.
Version 6.2, and it's continually evolving.
Yes.
So from where it started to where it is now, it's a massive gap, isn't it?
It is a massive gap because it started as a virtual set tool
With the green screen.
With the green screen,
yeah.
And then the market has been evolving. Unreal came in, and we can use Unreal as well. We have the latest version of Unreal running here as well. LED technology with XR came in, and we were also adaptable to that because the good thing of InfinitySet is the amount of flexibility that provides for the user. So people that was having version 1 of InfinitySet, now they have version 6, and they can do everything you see here with the same machine.
Cool. So where does it end? I mean, every time we get to a level with InfinitySet, you think, well, okay, that's probably it. And you mentioned AR, XR, VR. Where do you see the next level going for that product?
I wish I knew. No, there's lots of things going on. If virtual technology is evolving, it's becoming a typical tool now, and it's one of the tools that producers, broadcasters, television content creators have to disposal to create things. So it's a tool that provides a better storytelling. It's not just an end by itself, an objective. It's something that they can use to create stories, to create content. And as long as the products are flexible enough to create such content or any other thing that they can invent, because broadcast people is very creative, as we know, InfinitySet will be there. Yeah. But we do have ideas for next year, which I can't tell you yet.
So not only are broadcast people creative, they're also being asked to do more on a lower budget.
Absolutely.
So how are you sort of answering those challenges for your customers?
Well, I just mentioned that all the show is run by just one machine.
Of course, yeah.
So that's money saving. It's about sustainability. It's about carbon footprint. Virtual production itself is about sustainability and carbon footprint, not bringing people over, not traveling, creating physical sets. That kind of things allow to be budget constrained, be budget effective,
Yeah.
and at the end of the day, save money to do more with less.
Yeah. And are you able to build in many automations in the workflow as well?
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes. Most of the broadcast is getting into automation. There are lots of things that add up to create workflows that implement new things to do the work, and also more efficient ways. One of the good things of InfinitySet is that it can sit in any broadcast workflow. We're about the standards. We don't want any proprietary technology. We want to work with things that are common and in any broadcast environment, and that's what allow us to be more effective in that sense.
Yeah. Miguel, thank you very much indeed. So the latest version of InfinitySet is all available now.
Yep.
Is it software only or is there hardware involved?
It's software only, but of course you need some hardware to
Of
run
course.
it.
But for existing users, there's an upgrade
they can
path.
upgrade the hardware if they wish or they need, and they can create the set for its possibilities and for the requirements.
Cool. So while we've been talking, people have been hopefully watching the demonstration behind us here. And of course, if they're in at IBC, they can come and find you at the back of Hall 7. If they're not at the show, where can they find out more information?
At www.brainstorm3d.com.
Miguel, thank you very much indeed, as always. Do check out the website. Every 30 minutes, there's an amazing demonstration here, as we've given you a sample of on this video. Of course, for everything else that we're doing at the show, it's at kitplus.com.